this point in time, Rajasthan government acknowledges illegal mining operations in Aravali range and orders immediate shutdown. The Rajasthan government has officially acknowledged that the land allocated for mining to the private company Ojasvi Marbles and Granites Private Limited is part of the Aravali mountain range. Consequently, the government has directed an immediate halt to all mining activities in the area. This marks the first time Rajasthan government has recognized that the land designated for mining is within the Aravali range and deemed the mining there as illegal. So this is a big move by Rajasthan government after Republic TV conducted multiple sting operations in 2025 exposing rampant illegal mining in Rajasthan's Aravali hills. Our teams were there on ground where heavy machinery was digging massive pits after sunset. We carried out multiple sting operations as well. Gave you a detailed reportage from Aravali Hills itself. And now Rajasthan government acknowledges that yes, illegal mining is taking place in Aravalis. All right, I have my colleague Shambhavi with me. Shambhavi, we are seeing this is a big move by the Rajasthan government. Of course, Supreme Court's order was being defended by many, but Republic TV continued to carry out a sting operation. You yourself went to Aravali Hills in Rajasthan and saw how illegal mining was taking place after sunset. So this is a big Republic impact we're talking about by Rajasthan government, who has now acknowledged that yes, illegal mining was in fact going on in Aravali ranges.
Definitely, see, this comes in as a huge Republic impact because this is the first official admission by the Rajasthan government that the land which was allotted for mining is in Aravali range and that the mining going on there is illegal. You need to understand that this comes in as a huge impact because Republic was the one channel that was working on ground, that was covering the entire Aravali. This new definition that was approved by the Supreme Court, where it said that any mountain which is below 100 meters of the range will not be considered as a part of the Aravali range, thus keeping more than 90% of the Aravali range susceptible and open to mining. That was the case, but Republic went on through a detailed reportage where we showed the extent of illegal mining even before this new definition was accepted. So we could only imagine what would happen after the new definition was accepted. Now this comes in relation to this one particular mining land which is named as Ojasvi mining land, where this land was given in an area which comes under Aravali. So this comes in as the government's first official admission, where it says that the land which was given comes under Aravali and that the mining which was going on is illegal. So now it has asked all the activity in the related areas to stop. Now this is an ongoing suo motu proceedings in the Supreme Court, where the Supreme Court has kept the team or the committee's the directions or the suggestions at abeyance and has said that no new lands will be granted for mining without the prior Supreme Court's approval. So a huge Republic impact indeed. Back to you.